Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Karen the Clean. And if you are new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be basically like an organized spa-like bathroom type of tour. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my organization, and then we're going to talk about the whole spa-like thing. So anyway, without further ado, let's kind of get started, okay? Okay, so we are in the toilet closet and I'm just kind of showing you the organization. We just have a lot of back stock in these, boxes right here. And then in here we have some what's called the electronic refill toothbrushes. And then on the top shelf I have my hair curlers. I have makeup, but I don't really wear makeup anymore. It's my old makeup. And then in that right here is my little, clip thingies, jaw clip thingies. So that way I can put my hair up in rollers. And then that is just our rug that we put down in the winter time. So anyway, hang on one second. Anyway, I was standing on, the deal, and I just wanted to kind of give you a glimpse of what it looks like from right here. Okay, so now we're in the main bathroom area, and then of course on the top of the countertop here I got this is where I keep some of my scrunchies, and of course my Q-tips right here. And of course this is where I'm keeping my wash rags and stuff right here in this glass container. Okay, and I just cleaned this drawer out. And anyway, we just basically keep our toothpaste or scissors or, just miscellaneous kind of stuff in this drawer. Now this drawer basically contains deodorants, some first aid stuff, and then I have a little bit of like chapsticks and stuff like that in here, some razors in there. So that's pretty much what, and I have some lotion in there. So anyway, and then we have our Q-tips down here, right here, underneath my brushes, and I just refill the deal as necessary. And then this drawer here is mainly all my husband's stuff, like his deodorant, his cologne, and just basically razor stuff, that type of thing. Now this cabinet here, this is my husband's side, and we basically, there is like, I guess some like hardware over here in the back and all that. I think it's like our old shower head, but my husband's keeping it for some odd reason. And then we have a lot of like cat stuff, like medicines and all kinds of stuff right in here. And then of course, coconut oil over here, and that's my husband's stuff right there. Now this is my side, and of course it's going to have a lot more stuff. Now on top of this drawer light thingy, I mainly have like cleaning supplies and stuff like that. And that's usually, and then I have my castor oil that's right here, some Lysol wipe thingies right here, of course the comment, and then the kaboom, and then of course, another deal of comment and all that. And over here in the very back corner, I have like a makeup bag type of thing, and I got that gifted to me. And of course, like my hair dryer, that type of thing right here, along with my hair bands right there. This, I think, is also like vinegar or something like that too. So anyway, that's what I have in there. And this, of course, pulls out right here. And I just have some miscellaneous stuff, some mist, cologne mist, stuff like that. A little bit of perfume, and of course my coconut oil that's right there. Okay, and this is right here, like our Godly Granny kind of station right here. And let me see what I got in here. So I got the charcoal bar right here. We got like some kind of allergy, cold, and sinus balm and stuff like that. Hair mask. Yoni cream in here. Trying to show you guys, sorry. Yoni cream right here. And then this drawer is basically kind of like a lot of hair stuff. And it's like Samson's like mane and hair, and it's like gel and all just, you know, serum and all that. This drawer here, I got another deal of serum for the hair. And then this one is, I guess, some kind of like boost daytime like magnesium pain cream. And let's see, the other one is like some kind of beard and face balm or something like that. And then the last one, I have all my lip balm and masks down here, along with a like a lip brush right there too as well. Okay, and so over here on the side, I basically just have like a hand towel, and this is like a diffuser thingy. I need to flip those soon because they're not really putting anything out right now. And this is some cotton balls, and of course wash rags right here as well. And then here's some a little bit of overstock of our castor oil, and then I have my aloe hand lotion right there. Okay, so that is my organized tour of the main bathroom, the master bathroom. Now, one thing I was going to say to you is this, okay, as far as I'm trying to make I'm trying to also make it spa-like, and I'm also trying to make it like organized too. But what I'm trying to do is make the storage work for me instead of kind of like against me per se. And so, hang on one second, let me kind of bring you closer here. Okay, so I guess I'll kind of get down and kneel on this part. So one thing I was going to say is this. Okay, so yes, this was, you know, gifted to me. And then I got this at a consignment store near my mom's house. And I'm using it for storage to, you know, hold rags and stuff. And so, like I said, make the storage, you know, work for you, you know, kind of do what you can to make anything work for you as far as, you know, trying to make it spa-like, try to keep it clean, keep it organized and all that. And I do, you know, pretty much this, I only spend like maybe 5 or 10 minutes in my bathroom on tidying it up, picking up dirty clothes and stuff like that. And yeah, it don't take me that long to, you know, clean my bathroom because I stay on top of it. Okay, so now as far as this right here, this was also gifted to me as well. And I'm sure you can probably get these on like Amazon or something like that. And I don't think they cost like too much or anything like that. So I might try to share like a little clip of me pulling this up. We will see about that. But anyway, and then I have like extra razors and stuff like that for when I need to shave, you know, right here. But yes, you know, this was gifted to me as well. But as soon as I got this, I knew exactly where I wanted to put it. And it has worked so good for, you know, storage and, you know, making it organized and pretty as well. Okay, so I don't know if let me see if let's see. I hope I'm in the camera. I'm trying to sit somewhere where I'll be in the camera. So basically, I'm really trying hard to make my bathroom, like I said, organized. It's fall-like. And like I said, I put this nifty, let me move so y'all can kind of see what I'm talking about. But anyway, yeah, I made this not too long ago, this section right here. And I basically put a hand towel and it was like, and I'll show you in a minute, I got like a towel rack right here. It's got decorative hand towels. But I just put this there because it makes it look a little bit more pretty and luxurious and all that. But anyway, yeah, I use the cotton balls and I, of course, use the wash rags. And like I said, this is a diffuser. And I just, like I said, I want my bathroom to look pretty, but I also want it to be functional as well. Okay, so let me get back in here. Okay, so well, don't know if you can see me or not. Hopefully you can. But anyway, these towels right here, not this one, but these gray towels, I think I got them at Walmart. I can't remember how much we paid for them, but I'm pretty sure we got them at Walmart. I want to say maybe about $10 total or something like that. I don't even remember, to be honest with you guys, and everything like that. But I do know they're from Walmart. Now, this right here was gifted to me, a Godly Granny thing, and it was gifted to me. And I'll put it in here. I know normally I would put this stuff in the kitchen, but I don't really have anywhere to hang a kitchen hand towel that won't get used. So I was like, I'd rather have it as a decor piece anyway. And I like the fact that it says one in a melon. So that's pretty cute. Okay, so we got like a new addition into the bathroom, and I definitely have a personal relationship with Jesus. So I liked this sign, and this sign was kind of gifted to us from some friends, and it was hanging out in my guest room. Yeah, I was hanging out in my guest room, and anyway, we finally put it up, and I think that's like a perfect spot for it right there. And let me see if I can zoom in so you can kind of see what it says. But basically, it says God can restore what is broken and change it into something amazing. All you need is faith. Yep. And then this right here, that I don't know if you want to call it a painting or an art piece or whatever you want to call it, but I had got that one on the Buy Nothing group that I'm in my community, and it was basically gifted to me, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it makes the bathroom kind of grand, or it's pretty spa-like type of thing. Okay, so I'm back in front of the camera again. So that's pretty much the tour of my, you know what? I forgot one thing, guys. Okay, I forgot these. So anyway, I got these, what you call a canvas, like sign like these, and I put them up, gosh, maybe a year or two ago or something like that. I really like them. And let me see if I can take you off the camera so you can kind of get a better look of them. Okay, so I'm standing on top of my tub, but basically this one says relax and the other one says rejuvenate. So I wanted you guys to kind of see that too. Okay, and now I'm done. I kind of forgot about that part, to be honest with you. Anyway, so that is basically the tour of my bathroom, of how I've organized it and everything. And I just wanted to say this, I love the color of this bathroom. Now, we did the silver charm, and that's what the paint color is, the silver charm. And we painted this bathroom way before I became a YouTuber. So it's not something I can link you to it or anything like that, because we painted this bathroom before I became a YouTuber. But anyway, but ever since we painted it the silver charm, I was like, oh my gosh, I just, I wanted to kind of make it, like spa-like and all that stuff. And I gradually get there. I mean, I still have a little bit more stuff I would like to do. I mean, as far as kind of maybe decor pieces or something like that. But one thing I've been trying to do is I want to anytime I have a decor piece in here, I want it to function also as like an organized piece. Like if I need to use something to put something in it or whatnot. And so that's one thing I am striving for. And I'm doing that all over my house, or at least try to all over my house and all that. But anyway, I hope this gives you some inspiration on trying to make your bathroom or even your house feel more high end or luxurious. And I will see you guys next time. Make sure you like, share, comment. Please comment because I want to get to know you guys. And also subscribe to my channel. And anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.